Nursing is one of the most challenging jobs out there, and the pressures keep increasing. For new nurses, it can feel like being thrown into the deep end, trying to balance patient care, learn quickly, and manage constant demands. One of their biggest hurdles? Communication with supervisors. It's not just about getting tasks done. It's about building confidence, learning, and making sure nothing falls through the cracks. But here's the problem. The systems for communicating and logging data are outdated and slow. Nurses struggle to document care efficiently, and supervisors can't provide the real-time feedback that's so critical. This slows everyone down and can put patient care at risk. That's why Pathfinder Data Strategy built a solution. Our app bridges the communication gap by taking inputs from both nurses and supervisors and using a retrieval augmented generation model powered by OpenAI to summarize key issues in real time. This means faster feedback, better support, and a more streamlined process for everyone.
James Wilson has been showing improvement in patient care, but is still struggling with communication, which has been noted as an area of concern. His supervising nurse recommended additional training to help him strengthen these skills.
We set up the system using Azure-hosted SQL and an OpenAI deployment built in Azure OpenAI Studio. Instead of going with an Azure Function Spark notebook or calling a web app, we used dynamic SQL inside a stored procedure. This gave us the control we needed over the data and let us log every single summary, important since we're dealing with sensitive information. That's also why we avoided using a chat input. We needed a reliable, permanent record of everything. This version keeps it conversational and straightforward. Here's how it works from the nurse's perspective. She logs into the app and decides to submit a concern. This time, it's about not being able to find pillows for her patients, which she feels could impact patient comfort. With just a few taps, the concern is sent directly to her supervisor, ensuring it's addressed quickly. After submitting the concern, the nurse can also review previous feedback from her supervisor. This feature helps her track her performance, see how she's progressing, and identify areas for improvement, all in real time. Now, from the supervisor's perspective. First, they see a profile of the nurse, complete with an AI-generated summary of the nurse's performance. This helps fight information overload, providing a clear picture based on input from multiple nurses. Next, the supervisor can easily input their feedback for the nurse, offering real-time guidance. By selecting open submissions, the supervisor can also see outstanding issues reported by nurses and address them systematically, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. This app bridges the gap between nurses and supervisors by streamlining communication. With real-time feedback, AI-powered summaries, and a systematic approach to addressing concerns, we're improving both the nurse's workflow and patient care. It's all about better communication, leading to better care.